friends, my name is Arya. Welcome to Kids Book Buddy. So today's book is gonna be Early Bird. The book is by Toni Yuly. Let's start reading. Early Bird. Early bird likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can. She takes a deep breath of fresh morning air. And then early bird gets going. Across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, around the corner, and over the cat. Finally, early bird reaches the garden, where she finds the early worm. Early bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big fat juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. The end.